Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, the AIM Trader. So we can see yesterday's analysis how they work for us. Okay guys, you can see here what I have told you is that this is the one of the major supporting area. After that it will break. Then you can go for that. I will just shift this thing. Okay guys, this is act as a resistance. So you can see here what happened is that this is the one of the major trend line. Okay guys, don't know what is trend line or support and resistance area. I have made video that go and check out that playlist in my channel. Okay guys, you can see here continuously taking resistance from here. After this break you can see that it goes, our first target is hit it. After that it taken here only support, you can see here. After that this is the major resistance area what we have discussed. After that it taken resistance, you can see that how nicely it works. Came down once again and also taken resistance from here once again and came down up till here. Okay guys, our all target is hitted in upside momentum. Also we have achieved our target. In downside also we have achieved in our target. This is like a jackpot only. Okay guys, in one day only we have got upside momentum also, downside momentum also. Okay guys, this is the best thing what we have captured in this week. Okay guys, we can see next index is NDX. Okay guys, Nasdaq 100. Okay guys, you can see that it continuously consolidating here. Okay guys, after that you can see here one of the thing is that this is the trend line. Just a second guys. Okay, this is the trend line. Okay guys, this is the trend line, or you can see that this is the double bottom type it has made in. But this is the thing is you have to take on here. Okay guys, because this is the trend line, so you have get confidence about it. You have bought somewhere here, your first target is here. Okay guys, you have achieved your first target. After that you can see the second target somewhere here our, but it doesn't reach and came down once again and continuously consolidate. Our first target is almost reached and we have got very nice trade in Nasdaq too. Okay guys, because of Dow Jones, how Dow Jones behave like that only Nasdaq also behave at that point. It taken, you can see here. Okay guys, it is at 2340, 8th March 2340. Okay guys, you can see here in Dow Jones also 2340 only it taken resistance and came down. Like that only how Dow Jones behave, like that only Nasdaq also behave. So that is the thing, that's why it came down once again. Okay guys, that's why it came down, not reached up till here. Okay guys, you have to see the Dow Jones how behave, like that only all the major index will behave like that only. Okay guys, here also you can see some, and thing is that this is the one of the major trend line. Okay guys, however it breaks, you can see that our first target almost reached, second target also almost reached, just a little bit only. You can see that 2340 it taken resistance. Dow Jones, I have told you, it taken major resistance. After that only all index came down. You can see that it taken once again supporting area, goes upside, then came once again downside. Okay guys, in SPX also we can discuss. In XPX you can see that it continuously taking resistance from here. After that this is the one of the trend line what I will just draw it for you. Okay guys, this is the trend line. Okay guys, I will just remove this so you get okay, this is the trend line. After this break you can see that our first target easily reached, second target also easily reached, but in third target it doesn't reach. But in 2340 only it turns down once again, taken support, goes upside and came down. So however Dow Jones behave like that, like that only all index behave. Okay guys, except gold and silver and crude oil, these all are different, but XPX, Dow Jones and Nasdaq 100, these all are behave like that only. Okay guys, so we can see next thing is that you can see here also it taken continuously taking resistance. Here is the thing, it is continuously acting as a resistance. After this broke, you can see that how nicely one-sided momentum it gives us. Okay guys, after that it continuously goes up. After that it comes once again for supporting area. Okay guys, like this you have to analyze. Okay guys, we can see in Tesla also, you can see that in Tesla what we have discussed exactly that happened. I know that the here just a little bit only, it doesn't take support, just a little bit. If you have confirmed that you have to take your trade, you have taken your trade, then your first target easily reached. Okay guys, that is not anything. Second target and third target, after third target only it reversible and came downside. Okay guys, how nicely we have done analysis, and all our target our reached. Okay guys, so let's discuss about tomorrow, how tomorrow index and some stocks will behave and how we have to trade it. Okay guys, now we can see where the index can move today. Okay guys, today we can see the positive only. Okay guys, all index we have seen that global index is positive, so it may be open flat and takes here support. First, second and third target will be here. Okay guys, if it opens slightly gap up, then you can see the price action and take it. Okay guys, in downside also, if it will act as resistance, then you can go for your first and second target. Okay guys, in Nasdaq 100 we can discuss that if it open flat or something and take here some support somewhere, then you can go for these upside momentum target. Okay guys, if it will take from here, came and take here support somewhere, then you can achieve your first target, second target, third target. Okay guys, in downside also, what we have discussed, these are the downside target. Okay guys, we can see next Russell 3000. You can see here what we have discussed, those only. I will just shift it down, so like this. Okay guys, if open slightly gap up or something, so you can go for those target, and these are the downside target. Okay guys, you can see here, if it will move like downside, then you can go for these target. Okay guys, so in SPX also, we just move those target which we have considered yesterday only. So I will just shift it down here, so we can get correct our positions. Okay guys, these are first target, second target, third, fourth and fifth target. Okay guys, in upside, first, second, third and fourth target. Okay guys, we can see in next index is housing sector. You can see it is taking support right now. Okay guys, if it opens somewhere here or slightly, then it take resistance from here, your first target, second and third target. Okay guys, if it open a slightly gap up or here only somewhere, then you can see that it will take support somewhere here, then your first target, second target, and you can go for your third target too. Okay guys, these are the some index analysis. We can go for Tesla also. Okay guys, what we have discussed yesterday also, first, second and third target, we have achieved all our three target in Tesla. Okay guys, we what I am seeing in Tesla is right now is that here somewhere is, it is making a trend line. Okay guys, this is the trend line. Okay guys, if it will break, okay guys, if it will break, then if it will break or open slightly a gap up, then it will take somewhere this supporting area, this trend line on a support, then your first target will be this, second target. Okay guys, your third target will be somewhere here, and your fourth target. Okay guys, in upward momentum, if it will take once again and open flat here and take a resistance from this trend line. Okay guys, from this trend line, then you can go for your first target, second target and third target. Okay guys, these are the three target. You can go further also. Here are your targets. You can see in downside also, in upside also. Okay guys, I will just remove this so you can get clearly. Okay, you can see here. Okay guys, in upside momentum, if it will open gap up and take here this trend line support, you can go for upside momentum. If it take open slightly a gap down or slightly sideways only, then it will take resistance first, second, and you can go for third and fourth. These are the four target. Okay guys, in Apple too, we can see in Apple, you can see here how the target are moving. So right now it is continuously consolidating right now. So what we can see is that here, okay guys, this is the one of the trend line. If it open here only slightly gap down or slightly sideways only, then it came and take support, then you can go for your first target, second target, and your third target. Okay guys, if it take a resistance from here, came down and take resistance from here. Okay guys, take a resistance, your first target, second target, third target. Okay guys, if you like my this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Also, I have uploaded so many videos for you. Go and check out those analysis. In that analysis, I have told you how you have to take a trade and how you have to see the analysis. Okay guys, in those analysis you have been seen, so you have, I have told you that stock market or any crypto or forex, whichever you can see, that they will repeat themselves. So that's why I'm telling you, they will repeat themselves. So these patterns and how we can trend line and supporting areas can behave, that also gives us again and again repetition. Okay guys, so go and check out those, and also I have uploaded some learning video, trend line and support and resistance area. Go and check out those thing also, so you can get the knowledge guys. Thank you guys, have a nice day.